This whole area, this precinct, it really reimagines what urbanization is about. And what we're seeing is the whole world is changing. You know, I think the real estate and construction world is at a tipping point. And the tipping point is how can we bring automation to bear of how we build better places. And digital twins is going to be at the center point of that.
So from your perspective, what is a digital twin?
Well, it's a digital version of physical asset.
All of the bits around that, including the processes in which you get there, the people and the way they interact, the supply chain.
They're important because we desperately need to improve productivity. We desperately need to get more out of the resources that we've got.
To bring that all together in a digital twin where you can actually visualize that in a simple way, I think is something that I think will really disrupt the industry.
Think big, then start small and prototype and experiment, and then scale fast to be able to get this innovation through the whole industry.
If we want to transform the industry, we need to find the best people together and enter into collaboration, because that's the only way to make the change.
So we've invited the top minds in digital twins here to figure out what can we do to drive greater productivity through digital twins in our industry.
How do you make progress without being certain of the end game? How do you take that first step without really knowing what the next step is going to be?
We think about the customer needs, we empathize with the customer, we look to do the observations, and we create meaningful insights. And that helps us design the ultimate customer experience end-to-end solution.
So new tools, new methods, massive new opportunities in an industry that's really just turned on to the idea that this is value.
Always think about the step that came before in the life cycle and the step that comes after. And once you get to the end of the life cycle and you're decommissioning an asset and you have years of data to draw upon, make sure you're feeding that data back into the way that you're engineering a product.
It's using data to create new experiences and better outcomes so that we can create better places.
And the way you do that is coming together with like-minded people. Everybody here is driven by one purpose, and that one purpose is change.